Good morning and greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's itsHadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I should actually say good afternoon because it's actually 1 o'clock. Excuse me, I'm like starting choking on myself. But it's, yeah, I had a bunch of stuff I had to get done this morning, so didn't really vlog because it would have been just really boring anyway. But now I have a couple packages back there to mail out, and then we're gonna go to the Goodwill. I've just been trying to get as much stuff done as I can because starting tomorrow, I'm going to start going to the OC Goodwills because I'm going to start pulling stuff for the event that's next Thursday, which I am super duper excited about. So I'm really happy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do until I start going to the stores and figuring out what they have there before I can decide. I'm gonna let the store inspire me, though I kind of have an idea about what I want to do. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the post office, we're gonna go to the Goodwill, then we're gonna head back home because I kind of want to get a tiny little head start on Halloween decorating. I don't know, I kind of took inventory of what I have and it's not the most, but I wanted to film a little video. I don't know if I'm just gonna include it in the vlog or if I'm gonna do a whole separate video. I think I'm going to do a Halloween decor house tour eventually, but honestly I kind of forgot how little actual Halloween decor I had, because last year I just decorated in the front of the house. I just did a little something. It was literally the day before Halloween and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to decorate, and I did that. But all the other years when we were living in the old house, I kind of just decorated a little bit inside the house, nothing too much, and I never decorated outside. And then, I don't know. So, looking at what I ended up bringing home from the storage unit, there was actually not too much. So, I don't know, I feel like I have to step it up a notch and figure out what I'm going to do exactly, because I really want to do something fun this year, especially for Eliza. He's older and he understands Halloween and it's just his favorite. And last year he was so excited with the decorations and it literally was only up for 2 days. So I'm going to figure it out though. Yes, I have to. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get our day started. We just got to the Goodwill. Let's go inside. Okay, I think this is definitely a fake though, unfortunately. What do you guys think? $25. I think it is fake though. Alright you guys, I'm looking through the handbags. There's a sports sack. I think it's a Tokidoki one, but it's really dirty. That fossil's been here. This is that almost Michael Kors Hamilton. The gas bag. Oh, this reed bag for Kohl's. It's only $5.99. This is actually kind of nice. Oh, they have the black version of that white bag also. Oh, this is a Juicy Couture. Is this leather? No, it's leather. Baby fat. Christian Siriano. Clutch. David Jones. Liz Claiborne. Liz and Co. What is this little bow? L. That one. Tianyo. Gap. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Steve Madden? Yeah, it's Steven by Steve Madden. You guys, the handbags are a little tad dry today. Don't really see anything. Good girl gone bad. Oh my gosh. Alright, now I'm looking through the shoes really quick. Oh, these Converse are kind of cool. Oh, whoops, okay. We got some shoe jumpers. Oh my gosh, these are very unstable. Oh, I missed when these went on sale. Oh no, they're gonna go on sale this week. Tomorrow! That shoe's gonna go on sale. I feel like someone's already hidden the other one so that no one will be able to find it tomorrow. Where is the other one? So I am on the hunt for that other shoe because I know someone hid it because it was literally here yesterday or the other day when I was here. I think someone hid it so they can get it tomorrow for $1. And looking at the home decor, seeing what goodies they have today. Look at this little pirate person, clown, little turkey. Man, Thanksgiving is just around the corner. That looks haunted, like it was in Blair Witch. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is from Pottery Barn. I wonder if there's any more. This is like a brand new flatware set. This is like their summer barbecue stuff. It's only $3.99, but it's for a set of 12. That's the place setting for 4. At least there's 4. I think I'm gonna get this though. I'm gonna look for another set. But right now I'm also looking at the plates and stuff to see what little goody goodies they have. Whoa, what is that contraption? Is that old CDs or something? Any cool new paintings today? I'm gonna get in trouble buying so many paintings. Luckily they like what I bought so far. They still have this thing, which I think is super cool. I can't believe it now, it's only $10.99. Has it always been $10.99? Should I buy it now that it's $10.99? I feel like it used to be more. Did they reprice it? I don't know, this one's also $10.99. Look at how cool this chair is, you guys. $35. I changed the cushions, but the rest of it is pretty awesome. As I am pretty much done like doing the turn down service for the house. I kind of like make sure all the doors are closed, everything's locked, all the lights are off, nothing's on, it's not supposed to be. But yeah, so tomorrow I have a laundry list of stuff that I gotta get done before tomorrow, because tomorrow is the first day that I'm going to the Goodwill to start setting up for next week's event. So I'm actually gonna be pulling items because I'm gonna do kind of like a little, like a curated shop in the Goodwill. And yeah, so I'm gonna like go there for every day for like the rest of the week until the event starts. And I'm gonna be pulling items for like the little shop area. It's gonna be so much fun, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys can come, I'm so excited. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna end the video now. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video, and the new video goes up tomorrow, but early at 7. Love you guys so much. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, you guys, we are in the handbags, and it looks like there's kind of a lot to choose from. I think they just brought out a lot of new bags. Check out this B. Makowski. Let's see, this one is $14, but I believe it's 25% off. I'm just gonna like grab everything and then decide later on because